Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. All right, so to start the day off, it looks like everything has kind of like everything that I'm in has kind of moved the way that we want it to move. Not quite the full move, but hey, it's moving in the right direction. Edie Silver, good morning. Right now, the ceiling is up for me. What's up for you, family? Till it comes Bulldog Adventures. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome. Shout out to the 4 out of 14 of you that like happened to like scroll through and like smash the like button. Also, shout out to the just 17 people here before the market even opens. Good morning, DGZ. Yoko, good morning. My weekend was cool. How was your weekend? What'd I do this weekend? Shoot. I did stuff, hung out with some friends, had a little exercise. Oh yeah, I even got to see my family too. That was cool. Yeah, good weekend. Mass 3DRC, good morning. Good morning. Yo, yeah, trades are moving our way. Looking good. Really don't know how I feel about things, but things are looking good. Apple's looking good. Coke's looking good. Here, I want to put everything that I'm kind of watching like side by side. So I know you need to watch Coke, Google, NVIDIA, Trade Desk. Let's slide Apple up. I think there's one more. No, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, we're good. Should be able to see everything. All right, D Scurv, good morning. Jay Folks, what's up? Oh yeah, so hey, we can take a quick look at Coke. So I'm thinking it should. So if we look at Coke and just kind of look at things, it could kind of slow down today. Like this is a slow mover. Let me look and see how much time I have on that contract first off. Oh wait, that's the wrong app. You know, certain apps have certain colors and it makes me think like, yo, this is that app, but it's not. So Coke, we got to the end of March. All right, so yeah, I was saying could be a slow mover. Like this is it on the 4 hour, but ideally, depending on how fast it happens, we could either ride this to being oversold on the 4 hour. We also have the daily. It's pretty oversold as well, or overbought as well. It's up at 80. We could ride this to 50 or 30. Yeah, it's cool. And then like if we look at it on the weekly, it's still, I mean, it's pretty much oversold. It'd be cool to watch this like pull back to like 50 or something. But yeah, I'll probably like sell some of mine if it gets to 70. Like once it gets in the money, and then like I got like 5 contracts, so I'll ease my way out of it. But yeah, I could see it like kind of slowing down at 750. But you know, I think it'll do well. Okay, you said the weekend was good, but the whole family's sick with the flu. Sorry to hear that, but hey, happy to hear you had a good weekend. Let's see. Rodney, good morning. What am I trading on? So the app, Moomoo, and then like what am I charting on? This is Trading View. Let's see. And then stocks wise, these are my holdings. I don't necessarily intend on getting anything new. I do like SMCI to the downside, but I feel like that might move too fast for me to get in. All right, so we got Coke, Google, Nvidia, Apple, and Trade Desk. These are the positions I'm in on though. Big earnings this week. Nvidia, yep. Tim, Hems, not familiar with Vistra. Sound and Fubo. Yeah. Fubo has earnings this week. That'll be good. I hope Fubo's earnings bring it down. Like I might have to put in a limit order, honestly, just in case. How's your AI? And so I sold out of AI. I took profit on AI. So yeah, I took profit on AI, I think early in the morning on Friday. But let me check out the Discord to see how that actually played out. Wait, where is it? Did I? Oh, I guess I forgot to. Oh, no. Okay. So I sold out of my AI shares at 256 a share. And I got in at 205 a share. So I made $51 each contract. I had like 3 contracts. So it was about 150 or so from AI. Kevin, good morning. Timothy, good morning. Blousing, what's up? Hey, I'm just here chilling with the family right now. How about you, Blousing? Actually, I know you're doing the same. Am I still holding Uber? No. So Uber, I took a loss on that last week. I took like a 50% loss on it. I know some people were able to get out with profit. Like I saw it came back up, but it hasn't gone higher. So no, I closed out of Uber. But after I closed out, it went up. But now I look at it and it's down. So Money Monday. Hey, it's looking like it wants to pay, depending on how these contracts go. So one thing I want to say, like looking at Apple. It looks like Apple already like in the pre-market tapped into this demand, came back up. So it looks like Apple is free to kind of go down some more. So now I'm kind of like next level I'm watching and thinking I can ride to is 237. But like I think I looked at Apple and saw this and I was just like, yo, yeah, this can move. Like ultimately it would be nice to catch 220, like this 227 area to like really catch the extent of the range. But also you got to move level to level. So we kind of retested 240 or came close to retesting that. So I guess that's really the next level. Then you got this 237, but yeah, we kind of already tested this demand zone over here. All right, wait, hold up. Also gotta drop something in for Lucky J. I don't know why I like that one today. All right, my light be like, good morning, good morning. So what am I looking at? These right here. So right now I'm like I got all my positions kind of right here where I can see them on the side. So Coke, Google, Nvidia, Apple, and Trade Desk. I also want to take SMCI and kind of slide it up there because if I take anything new, I would definitely need to close something first, but if I take anything new, I am kind of interested in SMCI to the downside. Where's SMCI? Oh, there it is. So yeah, I'll slide SMCI right there just because I'm interested in seeing how that does too. You said cocoa might go down. Why does everybody call it cocoa? So Coke, yeah, I am expecting that it goes down, but this is not something that's necessarily needs to go down today. I have 2 months on the contract. I got contracts that expire April 28th. Here, let's real quick. But yeah, it's oversold on the daily, or on the 4 hour. It's oversold on the daily. It's oversold on the weekly. And this is also like a key resistance level. Not to mention it's never been higher than this, so it's pretty much at all-time highs. So this would be a good area for it. But yeah, I got like 2 months of time for that to happen. And it's all good. I wouldn't be surprised if so it's been riding this 13 EMA, but let's see. All right, Henry, good morning. Isaac, good morning. Well, I saw Mara, but not. Yeah, it's down 8%. I mean, it's cool. All right, so we're open. All right, so Apple's trying to pop. Okay, so one thing I was kind of wanting to do was I was kind of wanting to close my call I had on NVIDIA. Oh, it's not even up that wild. It's only up like 10%. I thought it would have already gained some IV. But here, I'm gonna put I think I'm gonna just take it because I don't want anything to do with this NVIDIA, if I'm being honest. I'm gonna just take it. I'm gonna sell out. Yeah, let's see. Oh, this price moving all over the place. Okay. I sold it for $565. I'm gonna alert the family real quick. Just cause yeah, I'm not trying to stick around in that. I might be able to get my SMCI real quick. Okay, let's see. Where is it at? All right, cool. All right, so I took profit on the NVIDIA swing. Oh, Apple's trying to yeah, we got the fake out. Okay, let's see what is SMCI giving us a pop. All right, so I kind of like I was saying, I want a short on SMCI. And I think now is a good chance to. Go for the 7th. Dang, they're kind of expensive. What was my target? What was my target? I think it's gonna move 47. Yeah, it's kind of pricey. What's this week looking like? Yeah, I'm gonna just take that money from NVIDIA and put it in this. I'm gonna be risky, and I'm going for a $53 put that expires this week. Here, I'm gonna add that real quick. I know there are comments in there. I'm not ignoring y'all. I just wanna kind of get to a point where I'm kind of chilling right now. All right, so let's. Oh wait, I gotta actually. So, is it? I got a $53 put that expires this week. Okay, let me quickly alert the family. Where we at? It might be a day trade. Either a day trade or from today to tomorrow. But yeah, this one, it's a good chance it's a day trade. Here, let's, where are we at? Just grabbed $53 SMCI put expiring 2/28 paid. I'll pay for it. 5.3 per share. All right, we should be good now. All right, now let's see. Let me catch back up. Philip, good morning. Chase, good morning. I personally, Chase, I feel like Nvidia, I feel like that was the pop. I mean, it's possible it could, but like I took profit. I was like, yo, let me take this and run. Palantir, what's Palantir looking like? Okay, they're down like 3%. Shada FPS, good morning. Mercy, good morning. MSense, happy Monday. Hey, best week of the week, day of the week. Definitely get the bread. Mike Knight, good morning. Let's get it. JA, good morning. Robinhood app is acting funky. Hey, it's nothing new for Robinhood. Let's see. None of the pages are reloading. I haven't used the app. Let me take a quick look at the app. Let's see. I think it's working for me right now. Like it's holding up right now for me. Okay, let's see. Tribe, good morning. Thought it was just me. So I don't think so like for what it actually does, it's not priced high, but it's like for like the certainty and everything and the move, it kind of is. It kind of, depending on how you look at it, SMCI could be cheaper or expensive, but the fact that it might possibly get delisted, it's like I don't know how to, there's a lot going on with that. Hey Samuel, good morning. I had to put credit spread on this buy this past Friday and should have closed it before Friday since it was up, but hey, that's on me. Hey, I mean, at least it was only $5. Hey, all good. Eddie, good morning. Nicole, good morning. Hey, wait. Wasn't here Friday. What did you think about the... Did we actually catch the drop on stream? Was I on the stream when stuff was dropping? I don't even remember. Like, I really don't remember, but I know I was picking up positions on Friday. Like, it was... I know they're like, I was taking profits Friday. I was finding good positions. Hey, it was good stuff. The beating the miners take is criminal. Hey, for real. But the opportunity, hey, it's there. See Smooth, top of the morning. Yeah, Friday, great gains. The community, good morning. Hey, Chef Nick, what's up? Hakeem, good morning. Janae, good morning. Hey, Hakeem, hit the like. Oh yeah, hit the like button. Hey, you know he can. Things might get violent if you don't. Hey, I'm just saying that because I care about y'all. Not gonna lie, It still hasn't hit my price yet. Let me see. KULR, where is that? 184. It's getting better. It's getting better. Sonia, good morning. Did you have a conversation with me? No, definitely not. That was a scammer. No, that was not me. Let me send out that announcement again in the Discord saying like, yo, I am not going to do that. Wait, what is this? Am I in the right Discord? Oh, okay. Oh, hold up. Yeah, let me, oh, hold up. All right, so, yeah, so that was not me. No, yeah, definitely not me, though. All right. Yo, you don't watch? So I have Tesla on the side right now. Yeah, Tesla's up a little bit. But I kind of closed my position on Tesla on Friday. Yeah, that was one I took profit on. But right now, it's like I want to wait for Tesla to pull back to my buy level. So right now, I'm not really watching it too closely because I think there are better moves, more obvious moves coming from elsewhere. So because of that, I'm not watching Tesla closely right now. Tesla likes to play games. So until Tesla is in my buy zone or my sell zone, I'm not watching it that closely. You said jumped in Fubo calls. Are they moving today? Here, let's see. What can we, here, we'll swap out the NVIDIA. Let's check in on Fubo. Okay. Dang, they have not moved since, what day was this? January 25th? They've legit just been straight up consolidating. I'm gonna have to set me a limit order for like like 150 in case they do like one of those price spikes. All right, Apple starting to move back down. That's good. So yeah, we got our little move from that little demand zone over here. That's cool. Let's see. Maybe said, Philip, this is a perfect bargain level. I knew it wasn't you. The person kept calling me mate. Hey, I do say mate when I talk, but nah, they're probably like either British or Australian. Yeah, it's like I'm not gonna sit here and just call you mate like that, mate. But let's see. Under $2 or even $2 or even at $2 a share. That KO put is it already printing? Let me see. I mean, let's see. I mean the price we paid for it, that was good. Like that was good. Let me see. Where is it at? Oh yeah, I see. Hey, the portfolio looking good today. Oh yeah, we're up 20% on the coast. That's solid. That's solid. Oh, that Apple's doing well too. Down a little bit on the SMCI. Let's see. Where we at? Dorothy, good morning. Cynthia, good morning. Tatiana, good morning. Is Fubo's earnings today? Wait, hold up. Their earnings are, they're on Friday. So yeah, Fubo, like, I'm hoping, I don't know, I'm not going to play them options wise. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hope that so often with earnings, you'll get like moves like here, actually we'll just look at SMCIs. So often with earnings, you'll get after hours moves, like say it closes right here at 59, you'll just get a crazy wick down before it goes up. So what I intend on doing is like coming into football earnings, I might try to get like maybe like potentially up to 500 shares. Like I feel like if they're going to do well, that they're still going to pull back to this level before. Like that's the next opportunity for them to close the gap. So I'm not going to play the options. I'm going to play the shares. He said KO put is up 28. I guess it depends on when you got in, because I'm up 20. But yeah, y'all probably got a better price than me. But that's cool. Let's see. Anthony, good morning. Oh yeah, my weekend was cool. Cannot complain. Dorothy, good morning. Wait, I already said. Hey, well, good morning again, Dorothy. Hims, Tim, Zoom. Oh, Zoom's okay. I missed out on Zoom. I didn't realize Zoom had earnings as well. Yeah, so that means tomorrow I can pay more attention to them, because I don't do well playing earnings before earnings. But one thing I'm seeing right now, I'm actually noticing Baba. All right, it's coming in to like close some gaps. So here, let's see at this potential little buy zone at like, I guess around 126 on Baba. That's the next demand zone. I still like am not the best when it comes to trading these Chinese companies. But yeah, that's a potential little demand zone right there. Here, I'm eyeballing Matt your levels for goals. Here, let me look at KULR real quick, see exactly what my level was. Yo, did it disappear? Oh no, it was something crazy. No, wait. What happened to it? I definitely had it charted. Let me go to a weekly. Yeah, it was about like 130 something. I don't know what happened to it. Let me just take that in. Yeah. There we go. All right, let's here. He said, "Bro, what happened to Microsoft? Did they go up crazy, or did they go? Oh, dang! I thought they had positive catalysts. Let's see." All right, so actually, hold up. What is? They might be at a level of support, like a pretty solid one. Let's go to like the. Yeah, it's a pretty solid level of support. Yeah, so this could be a good area to buy. Here, I'm gonna have to watch Apple a little closer. Here, let me look at Apple on the. Nah, I should be all right with Apple. Like I'm focused. I'm kind of like focused on Apple on the daily, but also. Okay, so we're coming up now. Let's look at some things. We're still kind of up on the PCE. All right, let's see. Home Depot, Kava earnings. Dang, so we got a lot of earnings. All right, SMCI kind of coming up. Those Coke puts, they kind of have a wide spread. Okay, let me run to the watch list real quick. All right, so we're up like 33% on those. I'm not in AI or Rocket Lab. How would this do? I'm not in that anymore either. All right, I'm down on that now. Took a put on Palantir. Yeah, let's see how Palantir is doing once again. Oh, dang. I didn't know they were still falling like that. Yeah, I'll keep an eye. Maybe at this 85 level, like they're already like kind of oversold, but maybe they get crazy oversold. And if they can get crazy oversold and come, like here, let me move this. If they come over there, hey, let me grab a call. Dang, AI is selling off crazy too. CC6 fan club president. Hey, life is good. Watching, hey. Yeah, SPY is, yeah, they're coming down pretty hard. Why is this over here? Go back to the 4 hour. Yo, we got push and pull all over the market. Like everything is, it looks like it's all over the place. Yeah, I may just have to sit and chill here. How's Coke doing? See, Coke is all over the place as well. Like Coke's back up at 121. Yeah, not even lying. It's probably gonna be best for me to like not watch the charts that closely, because I feel like ultimately what I think is going to happen will play out, but I feel like it's going to be like a roller coaster ride getting there. Like, yeah, because looking at these numbers, it's like, hey, everything's good right now, but just looking at everything, it's messing with me, because not everything is moving how I would want everything to move, or not every. Yeah, I don't know. It's confusing. Sit and chill day for sure. I'm looking. Hey, yeah. If y'all have anything y'all want to talk about or anything, any like questions, anything. Hey, it is very much so welcome, because these stocks. Hey, you said took a put on Nvidia too. It's like I could see it pulling down some more. Like I'm glad I took profit on my call. My only thing is like the fact that I was going to say. Oh yeah, my only thing is that there's a high IV. Like you got that elevated IV both ways on the options. So because of that, it's gonna be hard for it to come down. Well, I guess if it's, we'll see. That high IV, it's like sometimes movement doesn't really affect anything. Michael, top of the week every day. Hey, good morning, Michael. Morning watching SPY, it's no entries, it's just going down. Well, so this would be kind of your, if we confirm here, let's go down to like a 5 minute. If we get confirmation here, that's a breakout entry. But yeah, this is support right here, like right where we are. But yeah, it's like if we break that this morning on my watch list, this would be the kind of breakout entry. Assuming we get a breakout, we hadn't really broken out yet though. Yeah, but I had grabbed that SMCI short, like with the hopes of either making a move towards this trend line or coming for this gap fill. Dang, Palantir is going, my goodness, wow. Thing is moving. Yeah, we got all this push and pull in the market. Probably about to drop below 600. Yeah, it's kind of chilling there. We'll have to see like what happens. Yeah, it's possible it could fall, but it's also very possible it could bounce. But it's like here, you're like, if you make any plays right now, you're definitely taking some kind of gamble. I'm strongly considering, are you still warming up to gold? So nah, that's not one that I'm like personally like warming up to, but yeah, let's check the chart. GLDM. Got a really solid uptrend, like really solid. And it's nice when you got the RSI kind of like still coming down, even as the stock is going up. So it definitely looks nice. This is definitely like a hard one to buy unless you buy it at the trend line. So let's see. Honestly, like if you were going to buy this, it's kind of at that level. Or it's kind of close to it. Yeah, it's just a few cents from where one would want to buy it if they were. All right, so we got Apple moving up now as everything else is moving down. Definitely scratching my head right now. All right, let's see. Is TMQ. So I'm personally not familiar with TMQ. Trilogy Metals. So I would say this is more of a kind of trade thing. It's like usually if it's gonna have like if you want like a solid like yes for a good long-term hold, usually there's gonna be like a billion or a trillion kind of market cap. This is like more of a penny stock kind of play, and it could have good, like really good upward potential, but usually something that's a good long-term hold. Hey, this is looking like it could be a break on the SPY. Yeah, it's looking like we're coming down. But usually something that's going to be a good long-term hold is going to be like something that maybe you see politicians buying into, or something that's like an everyday household name, or something that's growing in popularity. So because of that, I would say no for a good long term, but that doesn't mean it's not a good trade over the long term. It's not a good swing over the long term. I just wouldn't call it a good long term hold, like just by the way you said it. NVIDIA earnings are interesting. I watched an analysis video this weekend. Yeah, we'll have to see. So NVIDIA is definitely like That's definitely when I'll have to come in on the like after, because I'm like, yo, I'm not making moves on that. All right, okay, now we're getting our move with SMCI. Apple is playing games, but SMCI, let's do a quick check-in on that. Oh, I just got an alert on sound. Hold up. Hold up. They got earnings. Hold up. Real quick. It's on a, oh, hold up. Sound is at a, I think it's at a weekly kind of, it's not at the weekly demand zone, but something's on. I think this is a, it has filled the gap. All right. So now, yeah, so sound is, yeah, it's filled like a gap on the weekly, I guess. Yeah, it's kind of filled in. Yeah, it's filled in all this weekly gaps. So, hey, that's cool. What else did I get to learn on that? Sound, SPY. Okay, SPY crossed that level. And then TSLL, let's take a quick look at Tesla or TS. Ah, so I could have held the TSLL. It hit my, ended up hitting my target. Let's go back to the 4 hour. Yeah, ended up hitting my target. But yeah, I think I took profit over here. Somewhere in here. Yeah, that would have been some more money, but it's cool. What is Apple doing, man? Hey, Netflix is selling off. That was when I was actually trying to look at this to ride down, but I guess no, I think I was gonna try to catch Netflix when it turned around. My goodness, man. Oh, Keith, good morning, broski. We're riding with you. Do you see how, I'm not watching it like directly closely, but I own shares of that. Let me take a look at it. Where we at? Oh, dang. Yeah, I might have to pick up some more. I guess it's going oversold right now, but yeah, I guess I'll probably pick up some more here pretty soon. Dang. Mike Knight sold them both, just gonna chill. Hey. Good stuff. Can you take a look at SoFi? SoFi, let's see. Dang, I got stuff hidden. All right, SoFi. So it's approaching like a good little area of support. I like a buy here. Yo, we're selling off, y'all. I don't know what Apple's doing, but we're selling off. I think Apple's gonna make its way down. Let's see. And just also, for those of you like wondering why Coke's going up, bro, I'm getting like so many alerts just hitting right now. My phone's going crazy, like weekly alerts, 4 hour alerts. Yo, this is wild. All right, let's see. Hold up. Yeah, I'm gonna say SoFi looks good. It could definitely get cheaper, but it's a good level to buy it. Like this is kind of, yeah, it's 14, 13. It gets increasingly better if you catch it at this 1151, and then below that 812 is like the like hey, all in. But yeah, it's good here. Here, we're gonna have to like check the headlines. I'm gonna have to, we're gonna have to check real quick. You know, I'm asking Ida why AI or why the market's dropping so hard right now. Is the RSI the only? No. I'm also. Oh, you said indicator. I mean, you could say I'm using it a little bit more. I don't use it on lower time frames. I use it on higher time frames, and kind of combining that with supply and demand and trends. Yeah, it's pretty simple. Yeah, it's nothing crazy. You said Uber is coming down. Like, yo, we got some sales right now. My goodness. Hey, quick check in on that SMCI as well. All right, so the SMCI is now at 655. Okay. Dang, yeah, we're definitely getting a lot of back and forth right now. Looks like trade desk getting cheaper. Here, let's see. You watching? I'm watching on all different time frames right now. The SPY is on the 5 minute. Most stuff is on the Apple and SMCI is on the 4 hour. SoFi is actually here. Let me go back. Right now, like while we're breaking levels and stuff like this, I'd like to watch on the 4 hour, and then if I'm watching for something bigger, it's like, yo, let me zoom out even more. But yeah, mostly the 4 hour. Hey, no problem, Nicole. It's red in this. Hey, it's very red. So Doge, I don't like. I mean, I like the Department of Government Efficiency, but like Dogecoin, I'm not too big a fan of. Oh my goodness, Meta, wow. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm just like, wow, sales, wow, crazy. Yeah, I would say I have interest in APLD. If you own shares, you know what that means. Yeah, it's definitely time to buy more. Got into PGR calls when, hey, the market is popping right now. Like, I don't even know how to feel. I need some time to process my emotions. Maybe I'm getting too emotional. But yeah, it's popping. Things are popping off right now. Yo, and SMCI. Hey, SMCI doing this thing too. Go off, SMCI. I'll take it. Let's see. Got in PGR calls when it got over 270 and Palantir puts when it. Hey, nice. Bro. Yeah, that break of that trend line, SPY went crazy, man. Here, let's watch where's the PCE? Okay, the PCE is up again. Hey, y'all know we're gonna get like a massive kind of rebound for this though. There's a good chance that tomorrow. Well, when I say massive rebound, we'll probably get like some kind of rebound from this. We'll just say that. Let's see. Maybe not today. Tomorrow, I'm thinking. I'm wondering if I need to jump into some puts for a few days, because apparently if you're holding call options, you're getting. Hey, I mean, honestly, I'm going to be real. I wouldn't do anything for a few days. It's like, yo, if you get like some months of time, that's one thing, but like the thought of doing something like, oh yeah, well, actually you can do it for a few days, but I would make sure I got time is what I would say personally. Apple has news they're hiring. So I saw that. Yeah, I definitely saw that, but they're hiring and then they're also like creating like data centers or something. But I don't think that is quite news to really pop them up. So I think they're going to come back down. It might be good short term, but where would you look to put your call for it? So I wouldn't necessarily get a call for APLD. I would, once again, go for shares, but just kind of looking at the last demand zone is going to be around like 806. So that would be a decent area for it to start trying to return to the upside. Let me go to like a 15 on SMCI. Or let's go to a 5. Let's see. Would you do calls for a week out on some of these? Depends on some of these. The market, the trend right now is trending down. So it's like if I were going to get something for a week out, it would be something that I probably expected to be out of within the next 24 hours. So it's like the move has to be ready, and I have to think I got like a perfect entry if I'm doing that. Also buying up kind of hard right here though. Could have a morning fake out, but we'll have to see. Dang, Nvidia came down hard. I'm glad I took profit. Let's see how high the PCE can get. God lifts me up every morning. Good morning. I'm so happy this morning I took 4 puts on Palantir. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff. Up over 1K is my first successful time. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff. I'm happy for you. Got out of a trade before I lost too much. I got scared. Look, hey, yeah, luckily. Let's see. Today was the day they just given. Maybe. It's like they might be snatching money too. We'll see if they, cause it's like if they want to like reverse and like buy up the market really hard right here, they can snatch money from people too. So it's like I just kind of have things pulling both directions. So we'll kind of have to see. Agree, because Spy went. Yeah, it's very well possible. Like I'm still watching like this. I'm still watching like the EMA because it's like it's possible. Like if they just kind of consolidate here, sometimes they'll like consolidate it here for like an hour. The EMA will come down, and then once the EMA comes down, it'll like bounce off the EMA, and then it'll just continue selling off, or it'll just like almost like the EMA just comes and like slaps it down. So it's something that could happen. Microsoft canceled data center lease. Oh yeah, I saw something about that. But yeah, we're all over the place today. Here, let's take this. Let's go through. Yeah, we're up there in volatility. Oh yeah, the Q hit a trend line. We'll see. Coke is still kind of chilling. It's Google, Nvidia. So Nvidia is still trending down as of right now. Like it's in a downtrend or at least on the 4-hour. Or actually not officially. All right, I gotta watch SMCI. It's trying to come back now. I close the SPY option on Friday for the $5 loss. I'll open another SPY put. It expires this Friday, but I'm still feeling bullish on the SPY. Well, I don't feel like he would lose on that. I feel like that would be a hard loss, 578. I feel like it'd be very hard to see SPY coming down that low. Feel might be a huge jump at that 597 level, but it's still bearish. Yeah, we'll have to see. Yeah, because it's coming back to that support that's now resistance. But yeah, also it still looks like we're like riding down, so we'll have to see. Yeah, C3 AI, oh my goodness. Yeah, they sold off very hard. Let me look at them on a weekly. I think we could still keep moving down. Meta, here, let's, dang, they're super oversold. Josh, good morning. Definitely wish I brought snacks in here with me. Low key, y'all. Give me a second. I'm gonna like see if my office has snacks. Wait, you said feel like it might? Yeah. Here for the vibes, don't have. Hey, I know how you feel. Hey, yeah, and I also appreciate your presence. Call on my AI may be a good call. Honestly, it could be. It could be. All right, we're still kind of like trying to move up here. We'll see. I also wouldn't be surprised if we just kind of chilled out. But yeah, I'm gonna go check and see if they have snacks real quick. I'll be right back. All right, and we're back. I had a snack, but I was not feeling it. All right, so you said the like button needs some love. Hey, that is not a bad idea. Hey, all it needs is love. All right, so to those of you unaware, just below the video, if you scroll down, especially like if you're on a computer or anything like that, you scroll down. And yeah, just below the video, there's going to be an icon. It looks like this, a little like this. It's a thumbs up. You know, there's going to be one that looks like this. That's a thumbs down. But you wanna emit good, positive vibes. So you know, we like to lean a little bit more towards that thumbs up. All right, it might be a different color, different shade, different hue. Depending on if you have your computer in light or dark mode. So mine is usually in dark mode. So for me, I think it'll turn from like a gray to a white if I press it. I'm not sure what it is in light mode, but beyond the point, pressing that like button will do some good in the world. It'll, I don't know what good it's gonna do. But if anything, it's at least going to take that number higher, and yeah, just get us closer to a good ratio. Oh shoot, I see y'all playing games. I saw it at 66 and it dropped to 65. Okay, We're pulling likes too. Okay, I'm here for it. I like to see the numbers move. But hey, we like to preferably see it go up. But hey, it's good to see y'all interacting with the button. But okay. Hit the like button as many times as you like. Just make sure you end on an odd number. Okay. Hey, that's a good way to think of it. I would just say, hey, just make sure it ends up illuminated. Because if you don't have the illumination, you're in the darkness. All right, so it's looking like, as of right now, it's looking like the trend is continuing on. So SPY kind of pulled back up, rejected off that level of support I had. That is now resistance, so it kind of lives on for now. Let me look at Apple on like a 15. Yeah, Apple had a good little run. Let's come back over here to Meta. Hey, Lucky J, appreciate all the likes. Appreciate all y'all that came through, smashed the like button, interacted with the like button. I mean, some people say, hey, let's take it away. Some people say, hey, let's give it. But hey, appreciate all the interaction. Lets me know that, hey, there's a human right there on the other side of this. It's kind of weird. I can't see you, but it's like I feel like I'm conversing with you a little bit. I feel, and low-key, I feel like that's something that's not discussed enough as well, because it gets to a point where I'm kind of like talking to this camera, but I feel like I'm talking to you. And like, sometimes when you're not around, I still may find myself talking to this camera like someone's there. And I feel like that's something that's a little weird. Just a little bit. But it's also becoming increasingly normal. So life is a interesting thing. Let me see. All right, so while we're here, so somebody had asked me about this one right here. Asked me to chart this one, so SMR. And I said that I wouldn't buy it until it pulled here. So I don't know who it was, but if you were interested in this, it has pulled back to the level where I was like, I wouldn't be interested in buying it until it at least pulled back here. Below here, if I was not interested, the next level would be like $8. All right, so I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna move this over here. And we'll see if that gets hit again. But yeah, that was one of the alerts that went off. Wasn't really familiar with the company like that, but yeah, I was like, let me share this. Wait, where'd my other alerts go? I had some more, but I think I just deleted them. All right, so let's go back. Oh, maybe we're not done moving up. Maybe we're not. Henry, good morning. I'm starting a position and a 1 to 3 month T-bill. I'm going up. All right. Yeah, I hope they pay you well. Let's look at Hims. Hood, bro. People were trying to buy Robinhood like so hard. Okay, so now Robinhood is like, people were talking to me when Robinhood was at like 55, but now Robinhood is starting to look like, hey, Let's pick it up. So this is like a decent area support. It's also, actually it's not a demand zone. Yeah, that's not really a demand zone, or at least not on the 4 hour. Let's check the weekly. Nah. So, I mean, if anything, Robinhood is pulling back to its trend line. So there's that. But yeah, looks like the most interesting level for Robinhood would kind of begin at this $43 level. But yeah, I would be a little bit more enticed to pick up Robinhood here. They got it's like a level of support. It's not like no demand zone or anything, but it's a level of support. It's kind of a little oversold. This Monday is a little interesting. Usually the market, yeah, it's very interesting and like very, it has me scratching my head because there's a lot of things pulling in different directions. Yeah, good pullback on BBAI as well. Sound, my goodness. Got a good little pullback on snow as well. Let's see. Let's go to the weekly on snow. Yeah, definitely just kind of pulled into like a weekly demand. But yeah, I'll leave that alone. Wait, I think I was going up. Shopify. Still moving on. Rigetti. On Q at about 30. QBT, QBTS. PayPal, Oxy, Netflix. Yeah, Netflix looking. Where do you see demand zone on Sound and Arch? I think Sound was, I don't even remember. There's a 4 hour at like 912, but there's a weekly down here at like 783. Oh, hold up. Why did it do that to all my charts? I don't know why it does that sometimes. Arch, what is Arch? This doesn't look good on the, I wouldn't, like if it's Arch, it would be $24 on the weekly, but that doesn't really look like it really moves like that. Okay. Alani, good morning. Thanks for, hey, no problem. That was just the, somebody mentioned SPY and I was just talking about like, yo, that was I remember putting that level out this morning on the watch list. So, hey, glad you were able to profit from it. Do you think Palantir found support at, I feel like things aren't done yet. Because I don't think Palantir really tapped into anything. Let's see. Oh, no, yeah. I don't think, yeah, Palantir's still moving. Yeah, Palantir definitely did not. So once again, I said, Yeah, this kind of demand zone right here, this 585 level, that's gonna be like that's a strong buy. But honestly, I'm gonna be real, I could see it like chilling in this area for some days. But you never really know with Palantir, so sometimes you might have to get in there early. I have so much to learn. Hey, no problem. No problem. You are very welcome, family. Appreciate your presence. Big time. Hey, appreciate y'all getting it to 76. Hey, shout out to those y'all kind of keep things interesting. Smashing the like button, smashing the like, and moving and kind of taking it away too. Sorry, I meant Archer. So what's the ticker for Archer? What's that? ACHR or something? So weekly, it would be down at about just below $5 at like 484, and then on the 4 hour, this one is wide, 844. That's one. I would say the next one would be kind of at like 6, but yeah, it's not pretty, it's not clear for that, so yeah, I wouldn't know. You said, why did I buy KULR over Goog? Hey, why did you? I feel like KULR feels better because like the actual price of the stock is less. But yeah, I don't know. Why did you? Okay, BATX? I don't know. But good morning. The trades I'm in right now are right here. I'm not in this Apple puts. Wait, I'm not in this 245 Apple put. And I am not in this $80 TTD call, but everything else you see on the screen, I'm in right now. Here, let me put that back up too, just so I can see it at the top. Ooh. Sorry, y'all. I'm just responding to a message. I'm like focused, so I'm sorry I stopped talking for a little bit. All right, let's see. Here, you picked up? No, I didn't pick up more TTD. I only got that one contract. So yeah, the TTD I got. TTD, I got this $75 call. And let's see. Yeah, down good amount on it, 33%, but it expires in April. So I'm not like too worried about it right now. Let's see. All right, let me go back to the SMCI. Can you please tell how to enable day trade? I got a video on I got like a short on my channel. Like I can't actually show you or tell you right now. You gotta, here, let me see. All right, here. I think this should be the link right here. That's gonna be that's how to do it. Black Panther, check that last link I just posted. All right, can you, wait, okay. Any thoughts on Celsius? Not specifically, like I don't have any specific thoughts on Celsius. I mean, I saw it have a good pop, but nah, it's not one that I think about like that. The market manipulates into value, whereas growth, mega cap stocks. Yeah, the market is, yeah, it's trying to do you, it's trying to do you dirty. You said, would I do a call on TTD for this? No, not necessarily, because if we look at TTD, here, let's see. Like if we look at it on the 4-hour, this has been kind of since Wednesday of last week. It's been continuously selling off. I wouldn't even consider it until we got like something above 76, like a close above 76. So yeah, I would not. It's like I got time. I'm like, yo, that's going to eventually come around. And I think it should come around within that time frame. And when it comes around, I think it'll come around enough for it to be worth it. But nah, I would not. Think I'm gonna roll my Google once it expires. I'm hoping the Google doesn't expire. I mean, there's still like 2 weeks on it, so that's what I'm hoping. Let's see. Yeah, I would not for a week. I would not do that. All right, let's see. What was I? Buying puts or selling puts? I just watched your video on selling puts. That's how I found you. Wait. So I'm gonna let you know if I have puts, like anything I do on stream, that's gonna be buying. So the video on selling, like selling puts, that's gonna be something that I would do more. Like I don't do that every day. I do that like, it could be weekly, it could be monthly, but that's going to be something I do a little slower because it takes more time. Growth stocks are expensive also. Very much so. Unless you identify them early. Like one I had was like SoFi and then Palantir. And then Fubo, kind of. Yeah, those are some that have gone kind of crazy for me. Higher Bid Crew, good morning, family. Happy made it to the stream. Was it APLD? I believe so. I'm not 100% sure though. Do you think QQQ will move down? I would imagine it's probably moving similar to the SPY. Here, let's go to the 5-minute real quick. Yeah, they're like identical. So yeah, I think if we hold below this trend line, yeah, I think it's going to move down some more. It's just trying to. It looks like right now it's trying to slow the move, but it looks like it will. We'll just have to see. But I'm sure you already know that it doesn't matter what I think. The market is going to do whatever the fruit it wants to. So, question is, are you ready for it if it moves down? Are you ready for it if it doesn't move down? All right, so Apple is trying to move back again. Yeah, all this is like really hard to just sit here and watch. I don't know how we do this every day, family. It's like it really plays with your emotions. Remember to set your stop loss. I probably should have set my stop loss on Apple this morning. Probably would have been a lot better off. But also, it's like I feel like my potential's nice too. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, don't just be in the wild. T and Nike, ignoring the sell off, but just not here. Let's see. Let's see, Nike. Dang, okay. And let's see. Okay. Yeah, all right. All right, what do we have? Boeing's in the green today. What else? Google's a little in the green. Apple's a little in the green as well. Let's see if they get with it. Dang it. I'm trying to like scoot forward. All right. Yeah, these chairs don't have wheels, or this chair doesn't have wheels. I should have went to the office I was in on Friday. That one was those chairs have wheels, but these chairs do not. I was kind of chilling. I was cruising on Friday. Oh, let me take a moment to kind of share this with y'all. I'm gonna let y'all know it's not anything related to trading content, but y'all, I got TikTok, so I'm gonna just to those of you that want to see other aspects of my life, I'm gonna drop the link. Yeah, I got TikTok, so yeah, there we are. To anybody that's interested. It's crazy, I've had TikTok all this time, but I've never really posted anything till like, I want to say last week. Falana, hey, got you. Did I say that right? Was it Falana? Let's see. Oh, you stay on TikTok. Y'all, how do y'all feel about like TikTok after they took it away and brought it back? Cause I feel like the algorithm is I'm trying to get back to the algorithm I was on. I feel like they like switched up the algorithm and like reset everyone's out. Like Lola for Lana? Maybe. Here, let's see. I want to see when you buy that Lambo catch. Nah, I'm not a TikToker like that. It's like, and it's like I also like would like to like help people to an extent. Not just giving away Lambos and cash, but like I don't know, like just like some kind of outreach every now and then. But there are also elements of it. Like I don't feel like putting people on video. Like for me, I feel like I feel weird about that. Like I feel like it's cool to take pictures with people that I may have helped or whatnot, because you know it's just like a snap in the moment. Or maybe it's like if we're actually just doing something or having a good time. But if I'm like, yo, I just gave you this pair of shoes, or hey, let me get this on video. I feel like there's no need for that. I feel like a lot of people just do that stuff for like clout. But I also understand it's people's brand. So appreciate that, tribe. Didn't change my life. So it's like all right, so there was a point, it was a long time ago. I would say like before I went to Portugal, yo, I was on TikTok and I was like addicted. I'm like, yo, I gotta stop. So I had to delete the app, and I like didn't have it for like maybe half a year. But now I'm like, I barely use it. Like let's say I wouldn't even say I use it like 15 or 20 minutes a day. Like I don't necessarily use it every day, but I don't get on it more than like 20 minutes when I'm on it. I kind of like, I wish I had my old algorithm, because I used to like get all this good knowledge and information that like kind of comes to me. But like, no, I still feel like everything I actually see on TikTok now is like actually helpful. So it's like, yo, I actually go there whenever I'm trying to like learn something. It's weird. You said the algorithm is weird. Lola Falana. Okay, I got you. Okay, Lola Falana. Okay. You said my algorithm is destroyed. Yeah, I'm trying to like, it's like me getting on TikTok now. I'm trying to restore my algorithm. But hey, it is what it is. You have to have 1,000 followers to start, but you just, wait. You have to have 1,000 followers to start, but you just on here trading would be cool for you. Oh, okay. I mean, you mean like live streaming. I got you. You learn a lot on TikTok. It's like YouTube in a way. You said delete your history. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. What's I gonna say? No, yeah, TikTok is interesting. Also, like low key, now that I'm thinking about it though, I think part of the reason that I was like, yo, I am not going to post is because it's like, yo, it's a Chinese company, and like I don't know, it's like so whenever I post something on TikTok, I don't share my whole camera roll. It's like usually the stuff I post on TikTok, it's like I'm gonna post it on Instagram too. So it's like I've already have it, and I'm like, oh yeah, this is good for TikTok too, and I'll just post it. So YouTube is YouTube 100%. YouTube is always going to be that is my priority. YouTube is my number one, and couldn't take it any other way. Like TikTok is like you get random and informativeness, but there has been things I've been randomly informed about on TikTok that have changed my life. So it's like because of that, it's like I almost have like I don't know how to describe the the algorithm, but it's like I also like whenever it comes to anything I deem to be bad for me, I'm like, what? Why is it showing me this? Or this is like bad for me? I'll just immediately like swipe away. That way it tries to like stop feeding me that stuff. Let's see. That's probably why it's that's probably why I can actually control my time on it. Hey Josh, I would argue like it kind of depends now, because like some of those TikTok videos, like they let you make those however long you want. I'm like, man, that's not even cool having to sit there with your phone up like that. Like I'll like brush my teeth and have TikTok going sometimes, like if a video is long. If you're okay with it, what do you do for work? So I do a lot of things. I'm looking to make a career change that will help me invest more financially, so I'm always interested in others' careers. Honestly, I'm right here with you, Janae, and like I'm always asking people what they do for work as well. And like I'm very interested in like the money people make and like the way people spend their time and whatnot. And like when it comes down to it, here I'm gonna get to you. I'm gonna get to what I do. Like I'm gonna tell you like everything I do, how I make money and all that. But like it's like, yeah, it's like knowing what's possible and knowing what other people do. First off, has gotten me to the point where it's like, okay, let me see how I can get there. And then also it's also showed me what's possible. So I think if we go back to it, well, here, let me start with what I do. So I'm a YouTuber. So I make money from YouTube. I make money from the ads that come through, like that on the videos. I make money from the affiliates, so some links and stuff. I'm trying to like think of everything connected to YouTube. So yeah, ads and affiliates. That's just people clicking on links. So I would say that is YouTube. But also things that have come from YouTube. People have asked me to do coaching. So it's like, actually I would say I'm kind of like a little paused on coaching right now, but I have done a solid amount like coaching as well. And then, I do everything from home. And then like I make money from like Amazon, like just Amazon influencer. And then also make money from, I got more here. Let me actually look at my spreadsheet real quick. Yeah, I got YouTube, coaching, affiliates. I got a lot of different affiliates. Yeah, YouTube, coaching, affiliates, and Amazon is predominantly it, and then trading. So that's going to be how I make my money. You said you mean the corporate plantation? Dang it. NVIDIA, my goodness. Okay, here real quick, let's see what you're... So Merck, here, let's go to a 4 hour. Okay, Merck's oversold. I mean, it's up there on the 4 hour. Let's see I don't necessarily see a specific zone or anything, but hey, it's coming back. Like ideally, like kind of just looking at the 4 hour, if I were going to play Merck, I would like to see it up here as well. So here, I'm gonna take this and kind of extend it. It's like it could end up selling off much before that. It probably will because it's oversold, but like Here, I'm going to set an alert up here for a short. Let's look at it on the weekly. On the weekly, it's very much so oversold. So that's still kind of a good level. On the weekly, it'd be cool to buy at like 96 or, yeah. Let's see, Pat. Similar story. It might be. This could be a wick right here. Pepsi might be a good. So I think Pepsi is kind of here. Let's see. I think it's a good time to be in the beverage industry. My goodness. Wait. I think with Pepsi, I see kind of a similar thing that I saw with Coke. But I think this might be liquidity, but we'll see. Let's look at it on a weekly. But this isn't an all-time high for Pepsi, so this might be a little different. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know about Pepsi. Or at least not a higher time frame, but this is probably like a good area to get a short and try to like ride it back to like 152 or something. Might not be bad there. You said check Pfizer. I hadn't actually traded this in years. Yeah, that's kind of another good one too. It did get a wick and kind of already did sell off from this. But on the 4 hour, it's oversold. And then let's look at the weekly. It's kind of like right in the middle on the weekly. So honestly, anything can happen with that, but it's like, well, we'll have to see. Dang, the SPY is it's still doing its thing. Still selling on and off. And look at Nvidia, my goodness. All right, DGZ waiting on the coaching, bro, for real. I could probably get it like started back up. It's like I was doing like 4 hours a day with the coaching, like or up to 4 hours a day. I wasn't just booked out like that, but I've also like really been enjoying just having like that time in the middle of the day to like it's like, yo, I'm trying to like craft myself. I'm trying to like be Mr. Built Different. And like I'm really trying to just see how good I can be with things. So it's like I might go to the gym, or I don't know, just do other things. But it's like, yeah, I could open those times back up after I get, like, once again, I'm supposed to move this week. After I move and kind of have things set up, yeah, I can kind of, or actually first I got some stuff I want to record, and then after, yeah. Let's see. I'm into public safety at college. My best opportunity would be to get a degree since schooling would be free. Oh, that's nice. Wait, you said at a college. Okay. I mean, that's cool. Like, and then also, like, taxes. Like, hey, you get a better tax situation when you're a student as well. Or I'm not sure how that's going to really fare in the future, you know, with the, you know, all the changes in the government. But currently, you know, it's kind of good. How do you do Amazon affiliate? So Amazon affiliate, so there's two programs. So there is Amazon affiliate, which everyone can get approved for. And then there is Amazon influencer. Usually you need like at least 500 or so followers. It could be on TikTok, it could be on Instagram, As long as your following is kind of engaged, like say you just get like a few comments on your posts and whatnot. And I don't mean like bot comments and just fire emojis. It looks like, hey, when you post people, there are people there. So it's like, yeah, pretty much that's how it goes. It's like you get approved, and once you're approved for like the influencer program, it's crazy. I've been approved approved for it and been a part of it for years, but I didn't really like take advantage of it or like actually know how to properly do it until like when did I do it? Until I guess like the end of October last year. And then ever since I'm like, yo, it's it takes care of rent. It's nice. Like it's nice. There's a million ways to get away from being slave paycheck. You have to try to learn from failure, not give up. Yeah, it's learn from failure. And like the major key is when you can learn from other people's failure. Like it's like me, I am a sucker for a story. So whenever I hear someone's story or like I don't know, whenever somebody tells their story, I listen, especially if they're ahead of me or have done something that I want to do or am doing, because it's like, yo, usually there is some kind of struggle in the story. And it's like when I hear the struggle and hear how they overcame, it's like that's kind of like a mental rep. That's like me getting to learn as well. I have a 81 call and the stock is at $13.95, but in negative. Why? So my question would be, what is your break even on that stock? Like if you go and look at the contract, like say I bought this contract and it's up $40, I can see my break-even price would be SMCI at $47.60. It doesn't necessarily need to be there for me to be up on it today, but this is where I need to be at, where it needs to be overall. So that just kind of potentially helps get a look on things, but it's like you really don't know. So I may have to dwell in my own business for extra income, i.e. tree cutting. I have about, tree cutting, that's not anything that's cheap. So it's like hard labor and whatnot. It's like, it's hard on your body. It's definitely something, like it's tough, especially as it gets like hotter outside, or if it gets like colder outside. It's tough, but it's like, it pays good money. You can make money fast. And it's like, sometimes it's like, you might need to grind a little harder short term so you can get that money in there, like long term ahead of it. R. Clark, hi, is that TradingView you're showing? Yeah, this is TradingView. Yeah, tradingview.com. There's a mobile app, and then this is TradingView. I got the 4 screens up. If you don't pay for it, then you'll probably have the 1 screen layout, but it's this is TradingView. That's the definition of being wise, learning from other people's experience. Yeah, I would agree. Unfortunately, I feel like when you're young, you have so many older people trying to tell you like what to do, how to live, tell you about their experiences. And I feel like you ignore them. And it was like that for me too. And it's like now I find myself saying the same thing to younger people. Like I still have older people ahead of me, but it's like I find myself doing the same thing to younger people. And it's like I kind of see them like not taking the advice. And it's like after I give them the advice, it's like I kind of leave them alone, because it's like I remember what it's like. It's like you still do need to make your own mistakes, But it's also better to, or it's also nice when you can listen to other people a little bit, but also don't listen to people too much, because sometimes if you listen to everything that somebody older says, that may also hold you back, because things are changing as well. So you said 2 jobs would be overwhelming. It's possible though. I mean, yeah, I've had 2 jobs at multiple times in my life. I would argue I have like a lot of jobs, because it's like I don't know. I feel like when it comes to work, my brain is never fully off. Like I have to like force myself to be present, because it's like say on the weekend, say late at night, whatnot. It's like I have like messages and notifications coming through on my phone all day. Like people are watching YouTube videos 24 hours. And it's like I like to comment back and everything. But now it's like I kind of like it's like I can't respond right away, because first off I'll be stuck like just going back and forth, because like people just straight up start asking questions. And then like I don't know, it won't be efficient, because it's like I might have something else I need to do. It can be a struggle. When you start, you're young, you buy lessons. When you're older, you tend to be when you're young, you buy lessons. When you're older, yeah, I feel that. The more jobs you have, the less time you have to learn needed skills. Spend less, learn more. I see that. When I was working at Amazon, I definitely had the podcast running. No, so what I would do when I was working at Amazon, so it was like I want to say it was anywhere from a 10 to 12 hour shift for me. And the start of the day on the weekdays, because sometimes I would work like 6 days out of the week. So the start of the day on the weekdays, I would have the stock market open till it closed. And then there would still be like 3-4 hours after it was closed. Like I would like be listening to a live stream while the market was open. And like after it closed, it's like, yo, I had the podcast going. Like I had some real estate podcasts. I had like some health podcasts, just all sorts of like stuff like that. Yo, I just had it going. And then like towards like the last hour of me working the other day, all the YouTubers and stuff that I subscribe to and whatnot, they were starting to post their like kind of stock market update videos. So then I would like watch those too, like, and I would just listen to them. That's why I had like, that's why I initially bought YouTube Premium, so I could like listen to things and still have my phone locked. Hey, game changer. Let's see. The younger gen has way more opportunities than us Gen X people like me. The internet has changed. So I would argue different things. So I would say more and less when it comes to opportunity, because it's like the same way you have access to more on the internet, it's also a lot harder to get the money. Like it is not uncommon for people to be working 2 or 3 jobs now. One man used to be able to support like a family of 5 doing a job similar to what I did at Amazon, versus now it's like you have people working that same job, barely able to afford a room for rent, let alone like a room and a car and insurance and all that stuff. So it's like a struggle. You said, did I close my Coke put? No, I got time on that. Like I'm waiting. So Nah, I'm still in the Coke put. It's like there was definitely opportunity to take profit, but nah, I got like, is it 1 or 2 months on that? Let's see. Let me go. So yeah, I got like a month on it. I want to see if it can, like, see if we can at least hit $69 on Coke, but we'll see. I really want to just, here, let's take a look at Coke. Yeah, it's still up here, like oversold or overbought. I want to see if we can get to oversold on the 4 hour and get to this on the either the daily or the weekly chart. That's how I am right now. I install appliances for new builds. I have my AirPods and I just listen to you every. Hey, I feel you. I feel you. Hey, I was there, man. I was there. I think I'm gonna start paying for YouTube. I can't stand. Honestly, yeah. No, yeah. So, my only thing, Mike, I feel like you were an Android user, but I can't remember. Were you an Android user? Hey, if you're an Android user, hey, do what you do. But if you're an iPhone user, make sure you get on. Don't buy it on. Don't go into YouTube app and do it. Sign into YouTube on your computer, and pay for your subscription, because if you do it through Apple, it's gonna be more. Like I got the family subscription. Like I paid I think it's like 22 a month for the family subscription. So I got it for my whole family. Like I got it for my wife. I think it's like 6 people. It's like my wife, my brothers, my parents, me, and it's like, yo, I got us all. And it's like $22. I think it's like 24 after taxes or whatever. But it's we all get access to it. You get access to YouTube music as well, and yeah, that's cool. Been a premium YouTube member since hey, that's cool. That's cool. Yo, I was in the beginning, I'm like, why would I pay for that? But it's like my mindset has definitely like shifted a lot over time. And like when I found out, yeah, you said that App Store tax is crazy. Yeah, I feel that. But apparently Android does the same thing. Like apparently they do. Like, or maybe they don't like charge us more, but the app developer has to pay more. Cause it's like, I think the app developer still has to pay like similar prices for the App Store as they do for like the Google Play Store and whatnot. But I don't know. My thing is, yo, if you're for sure with Apple, if you have to buy it, yeah, make sure you buy anything on the computer. Like, want YouTube? Okay, YouTube TV, that's different. YouTube TV, yeah, that's money. I just buy. I'm not sure I can say this, but I got a website. Certain things I got a website for. Certain things I will pay for. But no, I don't have YouTube TV either. Yeah, that's money. That's like I'm not at that level of luxury yet. Let me pay off my student loans first. Would you please analyze QUBT? Yeah, it's getting more appetizing. All right, so once again, my buy level, hey, down here, I'm just looking at all the gaps. I'm like, where is the last gap I see? And that's down here at like 162. Okay, so on the weekly, it's in the demand zone, but it's also like right in the middle. On the 4 hour, it's pretty close to oversold. Let's see if we got any demand zones. So it already reacted from this demand zone. So the next kind of demand, area of demand is going to be kind of at this 527 area, maybe like 530. Yeah, like 531 down to 456. And then below that, yeah, below that it will be 253, or this kind of 272 down to like this 253 area. But yeah, that's kind of how it's doing right now. Hey, no problem, Mike. Yeah, cause I feel like the same plan I was on, they would try to charge like $30, man. So yeah, I'm definitely like a sucker for like saving money and like kind of like knowing the hacks. I would say I was like more so into that when I like needed it a little bit more. I still like need it, like don't get me wrong, I still need it, but it's like, here, let's see. Sheesh. It's like I still need it, but what was I saying? Yeah, but like now it's at the point where it's like I kind of like have to weigh like my time, and I'm like, okay, is the money I'm going to save from this worth the time it's going to take me to achieve it? Like some people will wait outside. Like there's this place out here that I'm supposed to go to today. We had it in Colorado. It's called like Bird Call. And I think their grand opening is actually in 15 minutes. There are people who probably like camped out to go there to get one of the first like 25 spots in line. They're supposed to get like free Bird Call for a year. I'm like, yo, that's not, personally to me, it's not worth my time. So. All right, let's see. Why is DG climbing? Here, actually, let me ask Ida. Hold up, I asked Ida some stuff earlier. Hold up, I forgot. Okay, real quick. The market is experiencing a significant drop due to several factors. Economic concerns. Recent data has raised concerns about the health of the economy. This often leads to investors to reassess risk, resulting in sell-off. Tariff plans. President Donald Trump proposed tariffs. Plans have dented investor confidence, causing uncertainty, and generally contributes to market volatility. Potential correction. Warnings from financial institutions such as Goldman Sachs about a potential market correction have increased fears of a sell-off. Declines in market breadth and overvaluation warnings contribute to this sentiment. These elements may combine to create an environment of increased volatility and uncertainty, prompting many investors to pull back. If you need more, okay. All right, so let's see if I can see why is DG selling off? Or no, not selling off. Here, let's just say going up. All right, let me go back to that in a moment, but I think TQQQ down a little more, waiting for reviews. Okay, I got you. Okay. I got the Fire Stick hookup though. Oh yeah, like a jailbroken Fire Stick. I used to do that. It's like I could probably do that if I wanted to. Completely random question. What kind of music do you like? All right, so I like a lot of music. I'm not gonna lie. Like I like a lot of music. Not so much. Hold on, let me see if I got the answer for that Dollar General question. I'll get back to this because it could take some time. All right, so let me share the answer. Okay, so I got a picture of the chart. Okay, so Dollar General is seeing an upward trend movement due to several. Here, let me show y'all what I see real quick. All right, so this is what I'm reading. It's on Derive. Yeah, so they did like a search of the web. They analyzed the insights and all this stuff. But here, that's what I'm about to read to y'all, just so y'all know. But Dollar General, wait, hold up. It's seeing an upward movement due to several factors. So they got a new distribution center. The company recently celebrated the grand opening of a new distribution center in Arkansas, fueling optimism towards or regarding its expansion and operational capabilities. Analysts are optimistic about Dollar General being undervalued. The stock is seen as a potential turnaround candidate, which is attracting strategic interest from investors. The MACD indicator is showing bullish momentum, and the RSI is at a moderate 64.6, suggesting upward potential without the stock being overbought. Cautious optimism. Despite recent earnings struggles, analysts believe strategic remodels and new offerings could drive future growth. The company's rural market focus adds to its appeal, particularly in a volatile economic environment. Yeah. All right, so man, I just got hey, nice. Hey, review for success. Reach out to me on Instagram. Yeah, reach out to me on Instagram. I think I have like a link that I might be able to, it's like I recorded like I have another friend that got approved for it. I can kind of show you some things that you may not have known if I still have that video. I did a video to kind of show my friend how to use it. Things have kind of changed a little bit, but it's still very similar. So yeah, no problem. Hey, congrats. That's going to be a whole new world though. All right, so where was that question? Okay, Samuel, complete the question. What kind of music do you like? So I'm gonna let y'all know here. I'm gonna actually open my YouTube music, okay? So I want to say that, so I grew up listening to a lot of different music. I would say like almost everything. I'm gonna say like more recently, I am, I've been listening to more, I would say like Christian kind of music, but it's like I still listen to everything that I grew up listening to. It's like I feel good when I like listen to Christian music. It's like honestly, growing up, I'm not gonna lie, like all the music that, like the Christian kind of music, in my opinion, it was whack. I'm like, whenever I heard anyone say, yo, it's Christian music I like to listen to, I'm like, yo. It's like I understand that you want to listen to things that are good for you, but the music sucks. But no, it's like now there's actually like songs that I actually like vibe with and they're good. But no, here, let me see if I can look at like just artists that are in my whatever to give you a opinion. So here, so there is, like I'm all over the place. So got Forrest Frank, Ed Sheeran, Linkin Park, 21 Savage, Coldplay, Connor Price, Dua Lipa. I don't listen to Dua Lipa like that. It's more like just like a couple popular songs. Hovey. There's that dude, his name is Jake, but he has it's like the V instead of an A. It confused me for the longest. Kanye West was a major influence growing up. Kanye West, like I feel for that man now. Like, hey, but even his Christian music, that mess goes hard too. But like his like Kanye West all time, I don't think I would like hip hop if it weren't for Kanye West when I was in like third grade, dropping Graduation and coming out with Stronger. We got KB, Kygo. Some people I didn't even know their names. Selena Gomez, Shabuzi, 303, ASAP, Rocky, Alessia Cara, Alesso. Alex Jean. Big Sean. Big Sean was a big one for me. Like when I was in high school, his newer stuff's not so much. I used to like Bruno Mars a lot more. Charlie Puth, Sierra. Got some other people where I just got one song, Earth, Wind, and Fire. Got a couple Flow Rider songs on here. Got like a song by Harry Styles, Hozier, John Legend, Justin Bieber, Katy Perry, Maroon 5, Megan Thee Stallion, Amigos, Metro Boomin, NF, Paramore, Panic at the Disco, Post Malone, Rima, Rihanna, Rose, that girl with the Apate song, that APT. Yeah, there's a lot of people. I'm all over the place. Let's see. Oh yeah, Caleb Gordon. I see you. Skillet. Who's Skillet? Wait, let me make sure I don't have Skillet in. Let me go to the S's. Sometimes I listen to people I don't even know their name. No, I don't think I have Skillet saved in there. All right, so we're trying to come back up on the market. I might be down on my SMCI now. Yeah, I'm down on it now. I probably should have pulled that. Let me reevaluate this real quick. Yeah, I'll have to see how it holds up at this this $56 level. I'll have to keep an eye out for that today. But here, let's see. Check out Marcus Rogers, Isaiah Robin. Here, let me take a screenshot of that real quick. Let's see. Babytron. Aha Gazelle. Here, let me just nah, but I know Caleb Gordon, but here, let me just take a quick. Oh, you said what about Israelite music? I mean, hey, put me on. Put me on. You said listen to these albums. Hey, are you gonna tell me what's up, Kanash? Hey, put me on. Hey, put me on. Like, let me share your favorite stuff. All right, cool. Vince Staples and Flatbush Zombies are my top slurternative-ish. Slurternative. I'm not sure how I feel about that word. Slurternative. All right, so the SPY is back above 600. I got to reevaluate everything now. KO should be coming back down. Yeah, I guess we'll see. Hold up. All right, PCE is up at 80. I'm very interested to see how things go. This is weird. All right, so here, let me check my last screenshot real quick just to see what I got. Here, let me see what comments I got in that real quick. Okay, so the last thing I saw was Here, okay, so let me see. So you said listen. Okay, hold on real quick. Yeah, I'm gonna have to just make a random. I'm gonna have to make a random playlist. Okay. But I'm gonna let y'all know I do listen to lyrics, and if I hear like some questionable things, I'm gonna be like, yo, what? I'm gonna be like, what is this? It's like kind of like on the low with rap. It's like you kind of hear that, but now it's like gotten to a point. It's like I know there's a lot of questionable things in the rap I grew up with, but kind of since I grew up with it, it's kind of like nostalgic and it takes me back to a different time. But now the newer stuff, I'm like, yo, what did they just say? I will straight up just next the song and I might laugh, but I'm like, yo, that's wild, and just go on to the next. I'm like, yo, I can't even listen to this. So Rio, the OG, Babyface. Aha is the best Christian rapper in my opinion, but his issue is he never. Yeah, let me know my the songs. Yeah, your favorite songs, because it's like I have a hard time listening to a whole, like it's like there are artists that are on, but it's like, yo, if I listen to the wrong thing, I'm like, yo, they're trash. Then it's like, eh. You said that's Kanye now. I had to skip songs because of a few lines. So what was the last thing he put out? Carnival? Or what was it called? Vultures. Yeah, Vultures. It's like, yeah, I don't mess with Vultures. Like, yeah, I don't mess with Kanye Vultures, but I would say the majority of stuff up to Vultures, it was like, yo, it was chill. Let's one more. You said, bro, whole album fire. All right. So, hey, he's passionate. He's passionate. It's cool. It's cool. Hey, we'll see. Like, what was I gonna say? What was I gonna say? Yeah, so I guess I got some stuff to put together. Honestly, the only time I listen to music for the most part is just when I'm running. And it's like I can listen to like chiller stuff too while I'm running. But it definitely does like either pick me up or slow me down. Like I don't like when I'm in the gym, I listen to podcasts. I don't like listening to music, so it might take me some time to get through all this. But yeah, the market is starting to switch. Missed my entry on Uber this morning, watching to see if it gets back. Here, let me slow back down on the 4 hour. Yeah, so looking on the 4 hour, that was just liquidity. I would still say watch 603, and I could see 606 being an area where we get batted down. But yeah, kind of right here, yeah, kind of watch out for it. But if the market comes back up, Coke might sell off some more. But I don't know, I feel like we're in a weird place now. Here, let's actually look at, let's look at the market sentiment, because, okay, it's over to fear now. Okay. Yeah, it's like I really don't know how I feel. I really don't know how I feel about things right now. Bizzle is pretty good, but Bamboozled is the best track. Yeah, I know KB too. All right, I did call him out, but I need like a spreadsheet. Right now I got screenshots of the chat. Like I took screenshots of what y'all said, but Yeah. I got kids, bro, and the stuff that's out now, I can't do it. So like the people I'm around write music, but it's still on that level. Yeah, it's not corny, but yeah, passionate. Yeah. I feel you. Like it's good when you're able to like relate to somebody. But yeah, it's just like not growing up. A lot of stuff. I'm like, yo. Actually, I don't even know what I was about to say. Sometimes I just be talking. Sometimes I just talk. So, all right. More of you. Balloons, no limit, circle. Okay, all right. You said circle of life. Well, are we talking Lion King now? No, I'm just kidding. Oh, TTD is in the green now. How's that? I think it's still in the trade should still be in the red, but the actual stock should be in the green. Trade's a little bit in the green from when we added it. Okay, I'm still not sure if I should get into options. I only have 70. I would definitely take some time and what was it? I would definitely take some time and watch or like practice with the watch list. I'm gonna let you know right now, this market is tough, like really tough. Like it's very volatile. There's a lot of whipping around, and the markets can very easily just rip your money from you. So I'm just want to like throw that out there. Six more likes until 100. Oh yeah, hold on. Let me go through and add my like. I always forget I can like my stuff. Let me come through, give myself a like. Let's do it. Wait, why is it not showing that I'm live? Am I live? Yeah, I'm live. There we are. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. Oh, I hear myself. Wow, that's weird. Okay. All right. Like given. So we're at 97 likes. Let's get 98. Okay, let's go. How to trade daily options on Robinhood. Did you watch that video? Black Panther, I like linked the video. Oh wait, that's my TikTok. Let me but yeah, I definitely linked it. Here, let me once again. Black Panther. Check that link I just posted in the chat. All right, looks like we're coming back down a little bit. The market may have just wanted to say gotcha. We'll have to see, honestly. They're playing with y'all. You said you did, but you still can't see it. Let me watch this video.
Trade options same day on Robinhood.
Okay, actually I don't want to hear that. I don't like the voice or tonality I was speaking in that video. Oh shoot, we hit 104. 104 likes now. Oh dang, y'all playing with me on the likes again. I saw that like on there. Y'all pulled it away. I see what game y'all trying to play. We were at 104. Well, y'all, come on now. What is this? Hey, it is what it is, though. It is what. Oh, 104 and 104. Don't play with me. All right, it's cool. It's still there. Cool. All right, so I might go for APLD call March 7th. Oh wait, how is APLD doing right now? Where'd it go? Oh, I wasn't trying to get it on that chart. Let's get it up here. Okay, I still want to wait till it like comes down here, but it could. Oh, so we're at 106 now. Okay, y'all stop playing the games. Okay, It's crazy y'all just like sit here and hold out like that, but hey, it is what it is. And I think technically we're at 106% right now. Hey, I'll take it. All right. Hey, Isaac. Hey, yeah, Isaac may have a point there. What's funny is I'm still at 48. Hey, if you hit that refresh, oh yeah, you say you haven't refreshed. Okay, yeah, as long as you know, hit that refresh. It might change your perspective on things. Refresh your life, refresh your perspective. All right, it's over $9. I had to refresh. Okay. I took a AP LD call in April. Let's see. Think I show their next earnings being in like May 2025. Lucky J taking notes. Thank you. I have done this step, but I still can't see day trade options. I don't think that would affect that, but I don't know. Bro, do you not often. There are times I'll buy like a call and put at the same time, but not often. Usually it's whenever the IV is low and I think, hey, there's a good chance we get a large move, I'll try to do something like that, but not too often, Richie. Okay, so we just got European close. Let's quickly hone in and see how we think we feel about that. Let's go to a 5 minute on everything, see how we're looking. Here, let me also let's do that. Let's also take let's wrong. Hold on. I guess I don't have it on that one. Let's do that up here. Oh, there we go. Yeah, that's still very much so cross to the downside. Yeah, let's throw Apple up here since it's not really showing up there. That's cross to the upside. I'm new to your channel. Do you do these lives every market day? Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, pretty much. They might look a little different this upcoming week because I'll be moving, but yeah, I'll still go live. But honestly, with that being said, I think we're gonna call it a day. Why everything on Robinhood have these high thetas and IVs for puts? Because first off, the call to put ratio is up, the VIX is up. We've gotten like a spike in volatility. So because of that spike in volatility, the price is gonna be higher for those. All right, we're moving down on coke. It's cool. But yeah, so that's gonna do it for the day, family. I appreciate each and every one of you for stopping by, saying what's up, watching the chat, voting and saying it looks like there's a 59% of you said it's going to be a red day. Very well could be. 11% said break even. Very well could be. And then 30% said green. That's where we are right now, surprisingly. But yeah, thanks for stopping by. Hope you have a blessed day. Hope all your trades go your way. Yeah, thanks for stopping by. Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, Lucky J, D Community, M Sense, D Scurv, DT, Mass 3DRC, Yoko's Lair, Richie, Josh W, Darren, Samuel, Maxis, D Scurv. Oh wait, I already said D Scurv, but hey, ain't nothing wrong with saying peace out to D Scurv again. But yeah, hope each and every one of you have a blessed day. ED Silver, appreciate you. And yeah. Peace out, family.